How to fix Facebook temporarily locked on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to solve and fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. First, you will just open the settings of your phone, then you will go to apps or applications, and now you will search for Facebook apps. And when you found it, just open it like this and scroll down also the screen and go to storage. And now go to clear data, click on it, then click OK. And now your problem will fixed. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.